This is a Niche Profit Secrets review and exclusive bonus. I've actually just taken the whole entire course and I was actually blown away by all of the great content that was inside. This actually shows you 7 ways to be able to create content, courses, as well as monthly recurring subscriptions on a platform that has 28 million monthly buyers. And so, as you know, it's always good to find out the platforms that have buyer traffic built in so that you can go ahead and make sales. Now, this is the sales page. We'll go ahead and go through the sales page. I'll show you what it is. It's pretty straightforward. I will go ahead and show you my exclusive bonus that I actually have that's going to help make this process easier, and a couple of extra ways to streamline the process they use in the training. And I'm going to go ahead and show you the back end, all of the different things that it offers, as well as the OTL upsells if you decide you want to get any of those. Once again, this is the Niche Profit Secrets review and bonus. And then if you come down, they'll have an introductory video. And if you see here, you probably already know what the platform is. And them revealing what the platform is really isn't the main idea of the course. It's the 7 different ways to be able to create content for this. And then they kind of enlighten you to all the different types of products, recurring courses, as well as different ways to be able to monetize that. So they go ahead and show you that, you know, a lot of people are doing lots of sales. And right now for the early bird launch price, they have it at $17. So during the launch, it's going to be here at $17. So if you get the early bird launch, it is going to be, you know, a pretty good value for the money. Plus, you're going to be able to get my exclusive course, which is a full course that we have actually sold as well. And it will be able to expand on what they teach on here and give you some extra ways to be able to create some content. So for my bonus, you will get a full video course on how to go ahead and create courses instantly with AI. I have some free methods inside the course, as well as some paid methods to make it faster, easier, and more streamlined. And so you'll get the whole course absolutely free as a, which is going to help expand on some of their techniques so that you can go ahead and create content faster. So inside the course, we have the Niche Profit Secrets modules. And so each one of them is a drop-down module to show you how to go ahead and do them. Now, they have the introduction, the big picture and what you're going to do, the mindset. Now, once again, it's about being an action taker, making sure that you follow through with what you buy, all that kind of good stuff. And then that is what it is going to start with. And after that, then they go ahead and show you the platform, which most of you probably already know by seeing the screenshots. And then they have the 7 different ways to go ahead and create content for this platform, courses and ebooks, all sorts of different ways to be able to create content instantly, as well as being able to upload your first product, the steps you need to go for, the free registration to get on the platform, all that. Also, how to go ahead and do the research to find out what people are looking for, what they want, as well as they go through the platform and they show you the various different niches, probably 60 or 70 different niches that you can actually get into, see what is successful so that you can go ahead and mirror that and not have to recreate the wheel and just go ahead and create content after the successful stuff that has already been selling and getting lots and lots of positive reviews. So I was actually very blown away by this. It had some really good information in here, some good tips on content creation, as well as how to quickly get this set up as another revenue stream. And like I show you inside of AI instant courses, you want to be able to take your content that you create and have it on multiple different platforms so that you have the ability to go ahead and maximize and squeeze every penny out of your content that you can. And this gives you another opportunity to do that, and many ways to be able to create content or expand on the content that you already have. Now, the Niche Profit Secrets OTO upgrades and one-time offers are going to be listed here. They have OTO 1 is an AI power package that shows you many different ways to go ahead and do creation with AI. They also have OTO 2, which is a done-for-you YouTube AI. So be able to create content for you with AI for YouTube. They have OTO 3, done for you social media AI, how to create stuff for social media with AI. They also have OTO 4, done for you post-ready content for 4 years. So they actually have created content so that you can post on all your social media channels for the next 4 years to be able to stay relevant so that you don't have to actually create it yourself. They have the OTO done for you exclusive co-branded funnel so that you have your own funnel that you can go ahead and promote offers with. They have OTO 5, which is the reseller, where you're able to go ahead and resell this whole funnel for this product and get 100% of the profits. They have OTO 6, which is the commission booster pack, where it is a high ticket item where you are able to go ahead and get 75% commissions on all, as well as their future products. So usually they offer 50% commission on the offers that they sell. So you would get an additional 25% on every offer that they have ever released and all future offers as well. You'll get 75% commission on that. They have the OTO 7, which is the AI monetizer, multiple different ways to be able to monetize AI content. They have OTO 8, which is the AI expert tool super bundle, which is a bunch of custom GPTs that they have created and mini apps that they have created to be able to automate a lot of stuff with AI. They also have the mastermind that you can join, which is a monthly mastermind. They have access to the buyers for the next launch. Now, what this is, they're going to go ahead and put your offer inside of the special unannounced bonuses section so that when people go there, they can go ahead and opt into your list to take one of your offers, and then you'll be able to get the buyer offers for people who want to claim your bonus. OTO 11 is our business in a box, where they're going to go ahead and give you a lot of done-for-you assets or bonuses that you can offer whenever you are promoting products. So this will be things that they have created, and you will be able to use those as bonuses for yourself whenever you're promoting any kind of products or launches or anything like that. So once again, this has been a Niche Profit Secrets review and exclusive bonus. If you want to go ahead and take advantage of my free AI instant course down below, you can go ahead and click on the affiliate link. I will get a little bit of commission for you buying through this, but you're going to be able to get some amazing value. Not only are you going to get their course and all the 7 different ways to create content on this platform with 28 million buyers, but you're also going to get a second course absolutely free from me. And after you register, I'm going to be doing a bump offer for my course, because we're going to be offering this for our subscribers. If you purchase through this link, once that bump offer has been created with a new training on how to go ahead and put your courses on many different platforms step by step, once that comes out, you will also get free access to that as well. So thank you so much for watching my Niche Profit Secrets review. This is Daniel, the Passive Cash Stacker, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.